Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT King Kong 6 and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So in this video I'll present you two different ways of checking the IMEI number. Let's start with the fastest one, with the usage of the secret code. So we have to open the dialer, let's tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we're provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK, and now let me show you another way through the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's scroll down a little bit to find those IMEI numbers. As you can see, we've got the information for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.